Alright, everybody, what's going on? Well, my trip to the parade didn't go smooth. Well, my speedometer was making funny noises. And then when I coasted down a hill, it started to go crazy. Started acting crazy. I mean, the damn needle was going up and down, all wide. I mean, just wide open. You know what I mean? But at the parade, I took the cable off, and then I probably think I managed to straighten it out. But on my way back home, things started to go smooth for the speedometer. Yep, start acting right now, and I don't even know why I acted crazy like that, man. It just, you know, guess straighten it out somewhat. But anyway, that's my update on my petty truck about my speedometer. Yeah, my speedometer has started acting crazy. But I guess I managed to straighten it out. And on my way back home, it just went smoothly. Even coasting down the hill. The way it's supposed to be, you know what I mean? Alright, that's my update on my speedometer. Thanks for watching.